So guys, I'm drinking Coke. So I was just watching my friend Elle's YouTube videos. And she said her cat can talk. I don't believe a word of that. Who does? Like, I don't. She does. She's weird. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing a Bobby YouTube video. I'm sorry. And make it all. Sorry, I burped. Funny. Yeah, I know. I just ate, so don't go commenting. Ew, so gross. Don't be commenting this. Ew, so gross. Like, you do it too. Don't be commenting this. You do it too. Comment this. Excuse you. So, bye y'all. I just wanted to tell y'all that, I stayed all night at my friend Melody's house. I burped again. Again. Clara, you need to stop telling people I'm burping on video. Stop telling people that I'm burping on video. It's a joke. You told her. Who I did it? You told Bailey. No, I didn't. Clara. Bye, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Bye.